parents and I just did the laundry, so now we have a pile of towels to fold. Let's get started. We're going to spread out our towels. There are two different ways that you could fold towels. Here is one way. You could take the ends and bring them together. So you're basically folding it in half. Then you could do it again. And then you could do it one more time. And there, now you have a folded towel. Or there is another way that you could do it. We're going to lay out our towel just like before, except now we're going to try a different method. I'm going to put one of the sides in halfway to the middle, like this. Now I'll do the same thing to the other side. And I'll bring it over. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring it down and fold it in half. And then I'll do that one more time. And now I have another folded towel. We can even fold smaller towels that way too. Let's try this one. Here's the bunny, which just means that this is like the pattern side. So we're going to flip it over. Then we're going to fold it this way. I'm going to move it halfway in past the bunny, so now we can't see it anymore. And then take the other side and do the same thing. And then we fold it in half. And look, here's the bunny again. Let's try it with this one. We're going to move it halfway into the middle. And then do it with the other side. And then fold it in half. Move one side halfway into the middle, and the other side over top of it. Perfect. It's okay if you can't get folding towels the first time. That's okay, just keep trying. You can even fold smaller towels that way. Oh look, here's a fox. That means that this is the pattern side, so we want to flip it over. Then we'll fold it halfway in over the fox, and the other side the same way. And then in half. And then here's our little fox. Now let's try this one. This one we can fold in half, and then in half again. Now it's your turn to try. Good job!